Hi, I'm Louisa and I'm going to show you how to repair your deck. For this project, you're going to need decking screws, drill, screwdriver, pencil, countersink drill bit, decking timber, handsaw or circular saw and your safety gear. First up, we have to identify where the screws are, so this will help you find the joists. Remove the old screws on the board which you are replacing. Use your drill and reverse the screws out. It's time now to measure the gap where your new board will be going and cut to length. You can cut the new board using a circular saw or handsaw. I'll be using a circular saw. Place your board into the gap and now mark out where your screws will go. With your board in place, pre-drill the holes so the screws won't split the board. Place the screw into the hole and then screw them into place. Now that your new board is in, oil or stain it to match the rest of your deck. Don't forget to check all your other boards and screws. Just make sure everything's okay so you can enjoy your deck for many years to come.